No.
That's better. Yeah, because then if I go... Is your ankle all good?
No, that's something. Oh my god.
Okay. Bro just died. So what we're gonna do is dip. Sorry guys, we're not gonna go in this house for one reason and one reason alone.
Yeah, something said no.
Something said no. But wish we could. A little too dangerous. Kinda wanna live longer than my age currently. Unless we go right there. This is the bath, the toilet. W. Alright, let's head out. So YouTube, make sure to subscribe, hit that follow button.
Look at